everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I just filmed a after dinner clean with me. This is just my normal routine that I do after we eat dinner. This night it wasn't that bad as far as the kitchen or the living room, so it was a pretty quick clean this evening. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, so I like to do the dishes first. I like to just get the dishwasher loaded so that I can get that started before I do anything else in the kitchen. So now I made my way to the stove. I'm going to use a soap pad just to get everything scrubbed off, whatever food is left on the stove. Then I'm going to get a paper towel, wipe that off, and then come back with the Method All-Purpose Cleaner to get everything nice and clean. So I'm using the same Method All-Purpose Cleaner to wipe down the countertops and also to wipe down the chairs that are by the counters as well. So now I'm getting to the table. Having a glass table with children is not the best idea. It's always dirty, has smudges. It never just stays clean. So I used the soap pad again to just get everything that I can off the table, and then I'll come back with some Windex cleaner and just make sure that everything gets nice and clean. I just took out the trash. I like to come back with some Lysol spray just to spray the inside of it, because you know it has smells and things like that. So I just like to spray that. And then I'll get the Clorox cleaner and just wipe the outside of the trash can down. So now I'm getting ready to mop the floors. I like to use hot water and just a little bit of the Clorox cleaner. So I'm starting to clean the living room. I just pick up her toys, fold the blankets, nothing too much, just a general cleanup. Alright guys, this after dinner cleanup is all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.